Hey guys, Cece back with another video, and today's video is going to be makeup we forgot about plus a bunch of brand new products. So before we get started, go ahead and click that subscribe button. You never want to miss an upload, so also make sure you're clicking the notification bell as well. Join the family and hashtag notification gang if you click that notification bell so I can shout you out in a future video. Okay? Okay. So I'm not gonna lie to y'all, this tutorial is probably going to be all over the place, okay? Because we have brand new makeup that I've hauled but have not used in a video yet. And if you haven't seen any of my recent hauls, I've been doing a lot lately, click that link right up there. I'm gonna link the entire playlist, honey, because you need to catch up, all right? And then on top of that, I also have some older makeup that myself as well as a lot of beauty influencers forgot about, okay? Things that we just don't use no more. Why don't we use them? I don't know, but we gonna try some of them out today, okay? So we have older and then we have the newer. So let's jump right in. First things first, I'm gonna do something a little different for y'all. I'm gonna do my face first. If you've been watching my tutorials, then you know I always do my eyes first. I'm gonna do my face first today. I'm gonna be a little different. So I'm gonna use this brand new primer that I purchased in my last haul. This is the Tarte Timeless Smoothing Primer. I've been wanting to try this for a while, and I heard it's really close to the Tatcha Silk Canvas Primer, which I also recently purchased. So just wanna try it out. Ooh. I do like the smooth base that it gives. However, I can kind of tell that it's not gonna be super mattifying. And y'all know me and my oily skin, so I'll try it out by itself, but I'm probably gonna have to mix a mattifying primer with it if I want like a really long wear. Mama definitely looks airbrushed. Okay, Tarte. So for my foundation today, I'm taking it back and I am using the Estee Lauder Double Wear Stay in Place Makeup. I have the shade 5W1 and I also have the shade 4N2. So that's what those look like, and we're gonna put them on our face. I'm gonna take the 5W1 on like the perimeter of my face and then the 4N2 kind of more in the center. Oh no, looks like 5W1 is perfect. I think I might only be taking 5W1. I thought it was kind of dark, but I guess it is the summertime. I have not used this foundation in a while, but this used to be one of my favorites. It is just super full coverage and super pretty. I don't even need a second layer. Like, my face looks beautiful right now. So next I want to take a brand new concealer to the Sephora. I sound like my mama. To Sephora, and this is the Hourglass Veil Retouching Fluid. So I'm going to take that concealer. I have it in the shade Sand. I'm going to put that underneath my eyes. So I have not used this yet, but it is really watery. Does not seem like it's going to be a full coverage concealer like their foundation. So I have to keep dipping. Look at this. Not getting much product out of there. So it's already a con, but let's keep going. Alright, I'm not sure what that concealer just did. Is it just me? I'm not sure what that concealer just did. Like, I don't feel like it covered anything. Child, I don't know what that concealer did. It didn't do anything. My under eye looks pretty much exactly the same. I don't know. I'm gonna also go in with the corresponding Hourglass Veil Translucent Setting Powder. Now this I have used and I actually really like it. The packaging is just so though. Like, it's cute. It got the little H in the middle. However, it's really hard to get powder out. So I don't like that. It's not like user friendly. I don't like that at all. So Hourglass is not winning for me today. However, this powder is really beautiful, so I would recommend you trying it if you have not. It's kind of expensive, but it's really beautiful. Y'all, that concealer did absolutely nothing. Have you guys tried this concealer yet? I mean, it did nothing. I'm so confused. Alright, so I'm going to move right into the eyes. I'm going to take an oldie. This is the Lorac Pro Palette, the original Pro Palette. And this thing is super well loved and well used. As you can see, I hit pan on one of the shades. I'm really close on like 5 of the shades. Like, this palette is well used and well loved. First, I'm going to take this shade right here in taupe. And I am just going to put that in my crease. I have no idea what type of eye look we're doing today, so we're just gonna go for it. Next, I'm gonna take this shade in Deep Purple, and I'm going to add that to my crease as well. Ooh, that's pigmented. Oh shit. Super pigmented. This is why I don't do my face first, right here. Alright, so this is starting to scare me. So what I'm going to do is take a more like heavy setting powder, and I'm going to add some more of that underneath my eyes. So I'm taking the Tarte Shape Tape setting powder. And I'm just going to add that underneath the eyes. And I do this because if I do get a lot of fallout, then I should just be able to wipe it away because it'll be right on top of the setting powder. So I shouldn't have any issues wiping any fallout away. Like that purple shade just really kind of scared me there. Alright, so I have no idea where we're going with this look yet, but we gonna make it work, so let's keep going, okay? I'm gonna take this shade Pewter right here, and I'm gonna add that to the center of my lid. Alright, so we're gonna amp this look up a bit. I'm gonna take this Stila, what is this? One of their Magnificent Metal Glitter and Glows, and this is in Smoldering Satin. I'm gonna take this and also add this to the lid. Okay, that's coming together. That is so pretty. I'm just gonna deepen it up a tad by taking the black shade in the palette, and I'm gonna add it to the outer corner. Let's go back in with Deep Purple, and I'm gonna take that on my lower lash line. Shade Champagne right here, and I'm going to add that to my inner corner. So for lashes, I'm going to use some new lashes to me. These are the Ikonn lashes. This company actually reached out to me to send me some lashes to try, and these are in the style Taylor. How beautiful are these? First off, can we just like talk about how beautiful these are? They're 3D faux mink lashes. I also have a coupon code if you guys like the way they look. I will leave it on the screen and also a link down below. It's just Yvetteluvsbeauty, so it gets you 30% off of the lashes. That's a pretty good deal. So I would definitely check these out. Check the link out in my description box. But these lashes are so cute. So I'm not gonna do any liner. I'm only going to do the lashes. God, these lashes though. Seriously, I'm loving these. And it's not too crazy where it covers up the entire eye look either. Oh yeah, these are in the style Taylor, so I would definitely check these out. But anyway, let's move on and continue with the face. I'm taking the Kat Von D Shade and Light palette, and I'm gonna take the deepest shade in the palette, and I'm gonna go ahead and contour my face with it. I'm gonna go with another oldie. This is an old school MAC blush. This one is in the shade Make You Mine. It's one of their Pro Longwear blushes. Actually one of my favorites. And I'm just gonna pop that on the cheeks. I think I went a little heavy, but it's cool. I also just realized that I skipped the setting powder. So also going old school, I'm going to take the MAC Mineralize Skin Finish in medium deep. And I'm just going to pop that on my oily areas. So my nose, my chin, and my forehead. These are the areas that the foundation tends to break up. So I just want to make sure that that area is set properly. Would really go old school, so I'm taking the Becca, what is this, Shimmering Skin Perfector in Champagne Pop. So this is Jaclyn Hill's shade that she came out with Becca, which I used to love. Bathing in highlights right now. Lastly, I'm going to take this Stila Stay All Day liquid lipstick in the shade Biscotti. I think these are one of the best liquid lipstick formulas on the market. So I'm going to take this one and just add it to my lips. The final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this. I enjoyed doing this look so much. First off, it wasn't supposed to get this bold, and somehow we ended up in this realm. So I don't really do bold looks like this, so I hope you guys enjoy it. It's something different. I went a little darker nude on the lips to match the mood of the eyes, and we're kind of fall timed out, okay? I think I'm moving forward a little bit, but that's okay. I think this is so pretty for like a night out or something like that. Now, about the products that I use, the Shade and Light palette, this is such a great palette. I've talked to you guys about this before. It still reigns true that it is one of the best contour palettes, okay? It was one of the first, but it's still one of the best. I was really late jumping on the bandwagon with this one, but such a good palette and I really do love it. So I still recommend this one. As far as this primer, my skin feels really smooth and it does not feel oily, which I know I just put the makeup on, but sometimes if I don't put a primer on or if I put the wrong primer on, no matter what foundation I use, my skin will still feel kind of greasy, or I can just tell it's gonna be greasy very soon. I don't feel that with this primer yet, so we're gonna stay tuned with this primer because I really like it so far. So I'm gonna keep using it and keep you guys updated on that. For the eyes, this palette is as amazing as I remember it. So in one of my previous tutorials, I can't remember which one it was, I used the Naked palette and I realized that palette really wasn't that great. The Urban Decay Naked palette, it really wasn't. But as I was going through and using this palette really is that great and still is. So definitely, if you have not tried the Lorac Pro palette, like, I don't know what rock you've been living under for like the past 6-7 years. I don't know. It's been out for a very long time. I would definitely still recommend picking this up. It is such a good palette for every day, for bold looks, for any type of look that you can try to make. This is such a great palette. Of course, I am still enamored with the Estee Lauder Double Wear. This gives me such a flawless face. One layer and you're good to go. So I love this foundation. It's like glue. It does not move. Once it's on your face, it's on your face. I never have any issues with this foundation, so absolutely love it. The Hourglass setting powder, I really like this as well. It's very lightweight and it's really hard to put on too much. So if you ever have those issues where you're getting flashback with powder or anything like that, usually that means the powder is a little heavy or you're putting on too much. I feel like you can't put on too much of this powder. Like, that's how fine and luxurious this powder is. So I really like that. As far as that concealer goes, honey, I don't know what the hell it did underneath my eyes. I feel like I put nothing underneath my eyes. I mean, it's so watery. You have to dip into it 12 million times just to get enough product. It just is not my cup of tea. Like, even here, I just blended it out on my hand and it's gone. It's absolutely gone. Another favorite of mine from this look are the lashes. I'll leave my code here again if you choose to use it. But these lashes are so pretty. They're faux mink lashes and I'm kind of digging them. So definitely check out their website. But that's it, you guys. That is all I have for you today. I hope you enjoyed this video and it was fun, informative, helpful, whatever. Hope you enjoyed it. I love you guys so, so much. Again, make sure you're subscribed. Make sure you're following me on all of my social media, my Instagram, my Snapchat, and also my Facebook fan page. And make sure you are subscribed to my family vlog channel, Bradley TV. I love you guys so, so much. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for your support. And I'll talk to you in the next one.